In your data panel, you will find the Vise screw part, and you will double click on it to open it. To create a drawing of this part, we will go to the workspace, and specifically the drawing workspace, and we will select from design. In the create drawing dialog box, we will select under the content, you will select select, and in the model you will put your cursor on the model and click to select it. You should see where it says components 1 selected. For the sheet size, depending on the instructions you've been given, you can determine or set the sheet size. So whichever sheet size you've been given in the instructions. And the orientation, which will either be portrait or landscape, according to the instructions you've been given, you will select the appropriate orientation. So in this case, we'll select landscape and click on OK. So the cursor should be attached to the view, and you would just click to establish the view into the drawing sheet. And we'll click on OK here. If you wanted to change the scale of the view, you could do a right mouse button click and go to edit view. And depending on the sheet size, you may want to change the scale. So in this case, if a 1:1 scale isn't enough, we can try 2:1 to see if that will work. So again, the scale is probably going to be very dependent upon the sheet size. If you have a smaller sheet size, then your scale may be smaller. So we'll click on close for right now, and we can just click and hold on this view and move it to the top of the sheet.